back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Girl, when I say I'm excited about this video, when I say I stayed up late and was stalking this out of Fashion Nova's Instagram for this drop time, when I say I show love for Meg the Stallion Fashion Nova jean line, sis, we is about to get into this thing. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. So recently sis dropped, she been doing a whole lot of dropping to be honest. Sis dropped the damn CD. Sis done dropped the premiere of baddie, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Then she went and dropped his Fashion Nova jeans. Girl, if she ain't making them coins, I have high expectations. I'm just gonna say that I'm going in this thing. I have not opened up these packages, but I'm going in this thing with high hopes that somebody finally came through for the tall girl. If y'all did not know, your girl is 5'10". I'm part of the Stallion gang, so I'm excited to actually be trying some jeans. I know I'm doing too much, but I don't give a damn. I'm excited. This is literally my first Fashion Nova haul in a very long time, boo. I kind of stopped ordering from that company because I don't really like how they do their return policy, but that's neither here nor there. I ordered these the day before yesterday. Arrived quick, fast, in a hurry because I did pay for express ship. We gonna get into this thing. I ain't even gonna make this intro long, sis. Which one y'all try on first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, right? Okay, so these ones is called All Strung Up Lace Up Skinny Jeans. And I got this in a size 14.
Real hot girl shit.
Okay. These look like they are definitely lengthy. And it got that Fashion Over stretch. But it ain't jegging style, which is really good. It's that actual jean quality. And it has this lace detail going up the thigh. So you get a little sneak peek action. We gonna see, sis. Give me 1 second. Sis! Get into these. These are cute. I like that they're high-waisted. I like that this is adjustable. I ain't gonna lie. I thought I was gonna have a little scrunch thing going on down there, but they still come to the ankle. How many of y'all tall girls can say that happens on a regular basis, boo? I'll wait. Okay, I ain't think so. Like, sis, Megan got us.
Usually I like the, but tonight we gonna make love cause you bang.
It does do that little dip thing. I mean, it's fun. I just like that it got high waist though. Try to cover up the fupa. This is a whole look, sis. Get into that. So let's move on to the next pair. I also bought these ones in black. So we gonna try them on. I know it's the same thing, but some of y'all probably gonna be like, well, sis, I want to see how the black ones look on. So I'm gonna do it for the ones that's wanting to see them too. So if you don't want to see the same pants again, then just fast forward to the next pair. Okay, so this is the all black. I've been needing some all black. Okay, let me try these on.
2 hours later.
Sis, tell me why the size 14 in the black is giving me trouble to put on. I don't get that. But it's really not really going up like that. Hold on. Like, what the is that about? The damn strings is not letting me be great. So this ain't working out for me. I don't know what the hell going on. I got these same pants that I just had on in a size 14 in the black, but it's not coming up and giving me that highness like the denim ones was. I done jumped like 15 times. I done squatted. I'm tired as fuck. I blame the quarantine weight. Girl, I'm just over this one. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. I got another black pair. Groovy baby. Distressed flare jeans. What the fuck size I got in this? A 1X. I know damn well I ain't order no 1X. Or 14 is considered a 1X. Y'all, look how little these damn, look at this. It does have stretch. But I ordered these in a size 16 too. So I think I'm going to just not waste my time trying to get my big ass in these. And get the size 16. So I found the size 16 in the same jeans. This look a little bit better. A little bit. It's still kind of like little in the waist. But you know what? Fashion Nova is known for having these jeans that be looking small as fuck coming out the package, and then when you put the bitch on, it's like Houdini on your ass. You know what I'm saying? They definitely got the magician type of jeans. 1 second, boo. Sus, when I tell you the stretch level on these jeans is at 1,000, these are the most comfortablest pair of jeans. They just glide it on like butter. What type material this is that glide like that? Sus, stay long. Do you see this? The stressing is bomb, the rip in it, then it has the bell bottomy style at the bottom, then it has the rips here in the back. Now on the picture, sus had her ass out. I don't really want the ass out, but having a little thigh action ain't too bad. So for you ones who was concerned, like, oh, I don't want my ass out, I don't want my ass out. Which I don't blame you, boo. Did you see my ass? Or did you see the little thigh meat? So this is called I'm the Real Deal bodysuit. I love the fact that she had like the names of her songs or things that she say as the name of these pieces. So I got this in a size 2X. This bodysuit is everything. Now, I want to take the time to appreciate how long the string was. You ever got a bodysuit that won't even give you enough give to connect between it? That was not the case, sis. That lets me know that they took heed to us long torso girls. And they gave us that extra length. You get what I'm saying, sis? Y'all know I ain't normally the one for the neck shit. You know, all the smothering. I guess I ain't really pay attention. I was just so excited. I was just clicking shit. But it ain't too bad. You see, it's got a little peak, a peekaboo right there. So it's giving my neck a little room to have some air and flow come through. You know? Now, when I seen it online on sus, she had a little titty action going on at the bottom, which I really thought was bomb, okay? I know some people may not think that, to each his own, but I thought that was cute. Where my titty action at? I don't get not a damn peek. Not a now. Okay, maybe I gotta pull it up some. I did like the see-through. And then in the back as well. It's a look, sis. It's a look.
I didn't realize that this haul was gonna be this tough. Bun swinging everywhere, earrings sliding out. I'm breaking out in sweat. This is truly a workout.
Okay, so let me try this next bodysuit on, which is the Slick Baddie Mesh Halter bodysuit. It gave me snake print vibe. It's the damn turtleneck. Was I paying attention when I was placing this order or no? This is cute though. Okay, let me try this bodysuit on. Get into this one, sis. It got the arm pieces. I don't know, for some reason I thought that it had like the finger holder. I feel like this is a bomb ass birthday shirt. Girl. Okay. Huh. Honey. And y'all know I'm a leopard print girl. It almost kind of get that vibe. Nice and comfy. It's not like irritating. You know how sometimes that material be feeling all funny like? That's not the case. It's not choking me out. If that earring fall one more time, we gonna fight. It's really pissing me. Now look at my bun. What is this hoe giving me issue? Megan told me about them haters. Clearly, my bun and my earring is being some haters today. This is a look. What you think? Which bodysuit you like better? Okay, sis, let's get into these ones. These was my favorite, so I'm really excited about these. These was the ones that Megan was actually wearing when they did the little photo shoot. And these are called Patchwork Wonderland Bootcut jeans. I don't really like bootcut. Megan, you better be glad I love you, girl. I got these in a size 2X with the distressing. Do you see that? And it just keeps going and going and going and going. On some Energizer Bunny X for days. Let me try these ones on, sis. 1 second. I had the 1X in my cart and I was just like, no. You know how that quarantine weight did you, sis. Don't even play. These fit perfectly. Woo! Yeah. Look how much high-waisted it is. Good. Man, the different color denim. Like, get into the patchwork. Did you get into that length? Did you or did you not? You didn't? Well, get into them right now. I got them high-waisted, but look at the length. When does that happen? Tall girls, can you please back me up? When does this happen on a regular basis? Okay, so this next piece is called Spend His Income on Me. Spend his income on me. Girl, I know that's right. See, that's why I with Megan. Right, so this is the set. It's a rust color. Let me try them on. Okay, so let's immediately, boo, let's have a moment of silence real quick for how the hell this melanin killed this rust color. Amen. I got this in a size 2X, and I'm glad I didn't try to get in a 1X because, honey, the struggle would have been real. I ain't gonna lie, I think I should have went with a 3. The only thing I can say is that this is supposed to be for the tall girl, which it is long for my long arms, because y'all know how they don't be giving us enough space, but this got you. But girl, do you see this skirt? Get into the length of this skirt right quick, real quick. I bet not attempt to bend down and pick shit up. Ask Ed out to the whole wide world if I do. It's so cute, and it's so comfortable. Like when I say it's not tight, it's stretchy material. Get into that. Y'all know how I feel about the rib. Got the little suspender thing going on. Did I do that? Girl, do you see me on my Urkel shit? Nah, I ain't gonna lie, sis. This is that type of material that would kind of like show if you just ate what you probably had to eat. I came through with the turtleneck this whole damn haul and didn't even realize that. I ain't pay attention. But it's not so bad. I'm on my McDonald's shit, babe. I'm loving it. This is the last piece, y'all. Last one. Rex slash 2 pant set. I messed around and got this one in a 1X. I don't know why. I thought that it was a legging set. And I didn't want it to be too baggy. We finna see. Give me 1 second. If I ain't realized any other time that my head was big as hell, I damn sure realized it today with all these damn turtlenecks I played around in. Look at this. I done just stretched this one all the way out. You don't even fall how it was falling before. First off, check out this. Look how long this is on my hands. When you ever get that? Tall girls, I'm talking to you.
Barely.
It got the slit. I'm so glad that I didn't get a 2X because it has a whole lot of stretch. But get into these pants because these are the best part of this fit. It's that little stack look. You know how they got that little trendy stack thing going on, sis? Ooh. Girl. I'm so glad that I did not size up because it would have been baggy up in here. But see, it don't got that going on. You see a little fupa or whatnot. But that's just part of being a plus size girl. It ain't all that bagginess going on. Girl, when I tell you that I should have got more of the sets, I want more of these. And then I like that it's not so high because at first I was like, nah, I don't really want that one because I don't want my stomach all aired out. Crop it as high as you want or you ain't got to do that. I love the option. It has the slits here in the leg if you did not notice that. Girl. This is cute. I'm definitely gonna get the wine one, girl. We officially have came to the end of the road of this haul, boo. Now, if you wanted my honest opinion about this whole collection, I'm gonna say for the most part, I did like the items. I appreciate that they finally are catering to taller women. What I am gonna also say, Megan, let me talk to you for a minute. Come here, girl. Come here. Come on. Bring it on in, boo. And this is out of love. I honestly, when I went to the website, I was looking for some basic jeans. I didn't see no work pair jeans. I ain't see no regular size jeans like, you know, like the Levi jeans, the regular ones. You know, I ain't see none of them. I'm manifesting that you gonna watch this video. I am. I'm speaking this shit into existence, boo. So, Megan, if you can go back in the booth, would you mind letting Fashion Nova know that they can come out with some like just basic pairs? different colors. Let me tell you, not all of these pants is gonna be in trend for forever. You get what I'm saying? But a basic pair of jeans, they'll never get old. I'm speaking for all the tall girls in the world. I'm pretty sure I ain't the only one who felt like that. But other than that, I did the damn thing. You and Fashion Nova. I want to thank you so very much for taking the time out to watch this video. Sis, if you into hauls, this don't have to be the last one. I got a whole playlist full of hauls. Bitch me, boo. And if you like the energy that I gave, boo, subscribe. Stick around. It's for the free anyway. Thank you so very much for taking the time to watch my video. Until next time. Later.